Hi again. We are still in the teacher practice area with the third video of this series of adding sources to teacher practice area. First, we added some resources, a label, a textbook, and some files, and then a folder. I had a problem adding some items to the folder, and now let's try to see if it works this way. I clicked on it. I click the edit. Now I can add some other files to this folder. At the beginning I added the PDF file, and now I'm adding this file and any other file that I want, and now there are more files in my folder. I should save changes to see how it looks like. Yes, the folder includes 2 files, and let's go to topic 3. And now let's see how we can add other activities or resources, some resources to this topic. We added books, file, folders, and labels, and now let's see what the Lightbox gallery is. It says that the Lightbox gallery resource module enables participants to view a gallery of images. This resource allows you to create Lightbox enabled image galleries within your Moodle course. Okay, it seems a very good resource for visualizing something in the course, for helping visualize students who are visual. Let's see how we can create this Lightbox gallery. Lightbox 1, and the description is not necessary. The other options include images per page, how many images we want to show. Yes, show all. Displaying full caption text, no, there's no need. Caption position, if you want to add a caption, yes, we can choose to be at the bottom, top, or just hide it. Automatically resizing screen, we can disable it, but I want it to be enabled. It also resizes the pictures we want to add to this size or any other size. Oops. Just this size is available, and some other options like allowing comments. We can allow students to add comments, making it public. No, I'm not gonna make it public, just for the students of the course. We can also allow RSS feed, but the site does not allow it at the moment. Show extended image info, not at the moment. And some other common module features, restriction, I'm not gonna restrict it. Activity completion, the activity can be completed up to, if I enable it, then I can make some changes. For example, the activity should be completed until May 14th, around a week. I'm not gonna add any tag here, and save and display, and then we should, sorry, but you don't currently have permission to update calendar event. Okay, this is an error. So let's go back to teacher practice area. We don't need to create such date. I didn't know that. Again, let's see if we can add the resource or other resources without making any change in the date. Lightbox 1. Okay, without any changes, let's save and return to the course to see how we can add pictures to it. The light box is here. Add image. Now I can add some images. I can drag and drop them here, add it as a zip file, or the format of the pictures should be among these written here. I can add from these sources, but I prefer to go to my own folder. For example, I want to provide students with some photos or some pictures for discussion, to give them time to discuss it. Again, I can add them one by one or drag and drop them one by one at a time. Okay, this is the first one. I can add photos. I can also click here, add image. Yes, the images are added here, and if I want to add another one, again I go to this part to add the fourth one too. So if we want to add another one, we can come here as well. Add images. I've got 4 images here. Let's return to the topic to see how it may look. Okay, this is the light box with some images in it. And as if I want to add a post, a page or poster, I also can add it, but with a URL. For instance, I want to lead my students to a link, a URL, a web page. For instance, I want to lead them to the British Council website. I go to the page to lead them to learn something about English online. I paste the URL here in this part. Again, I can add description, but it's not necessary. I can adjust a lot in these parts, but let's not make changes. Now I've got this British Council page as well, directly here. Okay. If I want to add a video to the post, I can also use a file to directly add the video file, or just use the URL. Let's just add it as a URL, not to upload a lot on the site. For instance, I want to add something about when to use the present perfect tense from YouTube. Oops. Let's share the URL. Let's see how it appears on the course. Here, as you see, I've got 2 files, and now I want to see how all these resources appear on a page. So I should turn the editing off and go back to the topic to see my page. As you see here, resources, textbook 1, file 1, which is restricted. The description appears here, folder, lightbox, British Council, and video. By clicking on it, they go to the video, but I would prefer to add the video here directly. But within the resources, we can add file of the video file to. We go to books. We've got these chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2. We can go to the files, to the folder, and see the 2 files in it. Let's go to the lightbox and see the images. Okay, you can add different resources to your course, to teacher practice area, according to your needs. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a nice time.